If you want your tomato plants to grow strong right from the start and give you a lot of healthy fruits, then listen carefully. Today, I'm going to show you a very simple, natural way to plant tomatoes so that they don't face transplant shock and develop big, strong roots. Even if you're a beginner, this method will work perfectly. By following this, your tomatoes will grow faster, stay healthier, and produce more fruits than usual. Now, most people plant tomatoes the usual way. They just dig a hole, put the plant upright, water it, and hope for the best. But often, the plant struggles to establish itself. The growth slows down, and you end up waiting for weeks before it recovers. The method I'm going to show you is a little different. It focuses on preparing the soil properly while giving the plant a very strong start. First, we prepare 2 trenches in our garden bed. One trench is for organic waste, which will slowly decompose and feed the soil. The other trench is for planting the tomatoes. This setup helps the soil release nutrients slowly and also gives the tomato plant a strong foundation to grow healthy from day one. In the first trench, we put garden waste and kitchen waste. This can include vegetable peels, old leaves, plant trimmings, and anything biodegradable. Over time, all this waste decomposes and turns into rich organic matter. It softens the soil, improves water retention, and slowly releases nutrients that naturally nourish the plants. So basically, your soil becomes alive and very fertile. In the second trench, we start by adding a layer of compost at the bottom. Compost is full of good microbes and nutrients. It's like giving your plant a natural vitamin boost. On top of this, sprinkle a little turmeric powder. Now, this is a clever trick. Turmeric has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. It protects the young tomato roots from diseases and also helps beneficial microbes grow in the soil. This creates a healthy environment for your plant right from the beginning. After this, we place the tomato plants in the trench, but here's the special part. We don't plant them upright. Instead, we lay them flat on the compost turmeric layer and bury around 60 to 70% of the stem under the soil. Tomatoes are amazing. They can grow roots along their buried stems. By doing this, we encourage the plant to develop a bigger, stronger root system, which is very important for absorbing water and nutrients and making the plant resilient against heat and wind. Once the plants are laid, gently cover them with soil, leaving only the top few leaves above the surface. The buried stem will start forming roots soon. Meanwhile, cover the trench with kitchen and garden waste as well. This locks in moisture, speeds up decomposition, and releases nutrients slowly, feeding the nearby tomato plants naturally. Next, add a layer of mulch on top. Mulch is very important. It keeps the soil moist, protects it from the heat, prevents weeds, and keeps the temperature stable. Especially under the hot sun, this is very helpful for young tomato plants because it stops the soil from drying out. Finally, water the plants using compost tea. Compost tea is excellent for your plants. It contains nutrients and microbes that help the soil stay alive and nourishes the plant gently, without any chemicals. With this, your young tomato plants will grow fast, strong, and healthy. By following this method, you're basically creating a small ecosystem in your garden. The soil feeds the plant grows strong, and in return, it produces lots of juicy tomatoes. There's no need for extra chemical fertilizers. Everything is natural, simple, and highly effective. When you plant tomatoes this way, you'll notice they grow faster, stay healthier, and give a huge harvest of strong, juicy fruits. Once you try this, you'll never want to go back to the usual planting method. Your tomato plants will always stay healthy and productive.